Have I got James here?
Yes. Yes, yes.
Splendid. And Chev?
Yes, Judge.
Now, very good. You see, he said yes, Judge.
Sorry, yes, Judge.
It was very sensible, it was very thoughtful. It was exactly the right thing to say when he said yes, Judge. Is it going to be like that for the rest of the afternoon?
Yes, Judge.
Very good. Now, don't interrupt me when you're making your submissions, and please don't interrupt each other. Is that all right, Chev?
Yes, Judge.
Very good. Now, it's a very straightforward case. James, you sold Chev a car, correct?
Yes, Judge.
What car did you sell him?
A Vauxhall Astra.
Now, Chev, how long had you been driving when you bought this car from James?
I wasn't driving, I was currently doing my lessons.
You were doing your lessons, right? How long after you purchased the vehicle did you pass your test?
Still doing lessons at this moment.
So you bought a car for rather a lot of money, yes? Are you working?
I was at the time.
The point is, you bought the car, you know when you buy a car, it depreciates in value straight away. Yes?
I did not know that, Judge.
You didn't know?
No.
You weren't aware that when you buy a vehicle, unless you buy a classic car, as soon as you pay for it, as soon as you drive it around, as soon as it sits outside your driveway, it goes down in value.
No, Judge.
Well, it's rather good you came to court today. You see, it's a lesson.
Yeah.
Did you know that?
Yes, I did, Judge.
Well, that's a happy relief. Where did you leave this car? In the cul-de-sac of Stupid? I'm just wondering.
On my drive.
Sorry?
On my drive.
On your drive.
Yeah.
Now, this car, sorry, let me ask you, how long had you known Chev before you came to this agreement?
4 or 5 years, Judge.
Good friends, yes?
Yeah, pretty much.
Well, pretty much you were. And the reason I know that, James, is were you working at the time?
Yes.
And you're by no stretch of the imagination a millionaire, correct?
I'm not a millionaire, Judge.
And that's important because you sold Chev this vehicle. Was it your vehicle?
Yes.
And how much had you bought it for? And how long had you had it?
£900, and I'd had it a month before I just sold it.
Oh, well, no wonder that Chev doesn't know that when you sell a vehicle, it very often reduces in value, because what arrangement did you come to with Chev for the price of the car?
The price of the car was £1,000.
You bought it for 900.
Yes. I wouldn't sell anything without making a profit.
You wouldn't?
No.
Well, you may not, and that's your entitlement, even though this is a friend. Did you know until today that he'd bought the car for £900 and chose to make £100 profit off a very good friend?
No,
what do you think about that?
It's a bit snaky, to be honest.
What was the mileage of the car?
It's 180,000 miles.
180,000 miles?
Yes.
What was the registration?
VE04E.
No, I don't need to know it.
Oh, sorry. Before registered.
What job do you do?
I'm on night shift at a supermarket.
Is there a lot of sleeping? No sleeping. Not since they installed the CCTV?
No.
No, probably for the best. Yeah. £900 you bought the vehicle, and 1 month later, roughly, you sold it for £1,000 to Chev, correct?
Yes, Judge.
Now, that's a small profit, and you're entitled to make it. It's not necessarily something you would do for a friend, correct? Did you want to buy another vehicle?
Yes, Judge.
What vehicle did you end up purchasing?
I haven't purchased a vehicle as of yet.
So you've just kept your £100 profit, which you're storing away until technically you're a millionaire.
But I didn't receive £1,000.
No, you didn't. That might be, in part, why you charged him more. Chev, you didn't have £1,000, correct, at the time?
No, Judge.
Did you think this was a good deal, this 180,000 mile... How old was it? Not the registration. I'm not going to follow you home. I just want to know.
It was 2004 plate, Judge. So it was 9 years...
11?
11 years old, sorry. I apologise.
What was the mileage? 1,000?
No, 180,000.
180,000 miles?
Yes.
For a 11-year-old Vauxhall that you paid £1,000 for?
No, Judge. I didn't pay the full £1,000.
No, but you entered into a contract for.
Yeah.
So it'd gone almost, gone certainly round the globe at least once. Were there any problems with the vehicle?
No, the vehicle was driving fine.
For more Judge Rinder cases, click here. And if you've got a legal issue yourself, get in touch with us by clicking over here.